In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build market stands using terracotta blocks in Minecraft 26.1.2. Updated 2026 guide. Start by choosing a flat area where your market stand will fit neatly. Clear the space if needed so you have room to build without obstacles. Begin with the base of the stand. Create a 5x5 layout on the ground. This gives you a compact stall size that looks balanced and practical for a market setup. Once the base is marked out, place fence posts at each of the 4 corners. These posts will support the full structure, so make sure they are placed evenly and match the shape of the base. Next, build each fence post upward until it reaches 4 blocks high. Keep all 4 posts the same height, so the roof will sit evenly across the top. This height works well because it gives the stand enough space to feel open while still looking like a small market stall. After the posts are complete, move to the top of the structure and connect them using slabs or stairs. This creates the frame for the roof and gives the stall a more polished shape. You can use whichever material matches the style of your build, but keep the frame consistent on all sides for a clean result. Once the roof frame is in place, begin building the canopy with colored terracotta blocks. Place the terracotta across the top of the frame to form the main roof covering. Red, yellow, and blue terracotta are all strong choices for a market stand because they add color without looking too bright. Terracotta works especially well here because its muted tones give the build a decorative and realistic market look. You can use one color for a simple design or combine colors if you want the stall to stand out more in a larger market area. After the canopy is finished, add the final decorative details. Place barrels around or behind the stall to suggest storage for goods. Hang lanterns from the frame or set them near the corners to give the build more warmth and visibility. Add item frames to display what the stand is selling and use trapdoors along the sides or front to create extra detail and texture. These finishing touches make the stand feel complete and help it fit naturally into a village, town, or trading area.